5 people charged in Friends star Matthew Perry's death after exploiting his addiction, including his personal assistant. Last Thursday, the U.S. Attorney's Office charged 5 people, including 2 doctors, in the case of the death of actor Matthew Perry, the star of the series, Friends, last year. After years of suffering from addiction, these defendants exploited Perry's addiction for financial gain, said Attorney General Martin Estrada. He added, they knew that their actions were dangerous to Perry's life, and yet they continued to do so. The defendants include 2 doctors and Perry's personal assistant. Estrada explained that the doctors were more concerned with financial gain than with Perry's health. His personal assistant admitted to injecting the famous Chandler Bing character with ketamine more than once without any medical training. And on the day of his death, he injected him more than once. The last conversation that took place between Matthew_Perry and his assistant Kenneth Iwamazawa was revealed, and it turned out that Perry asked him for the 3rd injection of ketamine to be a large dose. In the details, on October 28, Matthew Perry's assistant was injected with a reasonable dose of ketamine at around 8:30, and at 12:45 he was injected again while Perry was watching a movie on TV. After 40 minutes, Matthew asked his assistant for an additional injection and insisted on a large dose, literally saying, "Shoot me up with a big one." Shortly after, his assistant went out, and upon his return, he found him dead, face down in the jacuzzi. But it turned out that Kenneth Iwamazawa does not have the professional medical competence or the special training that would allow him to use injections of this type. Linked to the death of Friends star Matthew Perry, the Queen of Ketamine, and 4 others were arrested months after his death. 5 people were arrested on charges of involuntary manslaughter to a large criminal network that was illegally supplying Matthew Perry with ketamine, exploiting his addiction to it, including his assistant, 2 doctors, and 2 other people of Matthew Perry. Investigations found that they belonged. This is not the only information that was revealed.